Hope you're doing well, and today we're going to take a look at iMovie and see how we can use it for picture-in-picture mode and split screen. And this is going to be really useful for your PYPX video presentations and hopefully showcase some of the stuff you've been researching and learning. So the first thing we're going to do is open up iMovie, and we are going to create a new project by clicking the plus top left and then on movie. On here you'll be able the chance to add your pictures and your presentation and your video. So I'm going to add this video here. Maybe let's pretend I've done this video based on my research, based on my group. And now what I want to do is add in a picture that's going to add on top. So all I need to do is click onto photos. Let's look at some of my recently added, and here you can see I've got the effects of climate change and then maybe a picture of climate action. When I tap on these pictures, you can see I have the plus and the three dots. I'm going to click on the three dots, and here I have the option for cutaway, picture-in-picture, split screen, green screen and blue screen. A cutaway will just overlay it on top of my video, and I don't want it to go on top of my video. I want it to be there with me in the video. So I can either choose split screen or I can choose picture-in-picture. If I choose the picture-in-picture method, it jumps on top there, and now if I click on the picture I should be able to move it around. I don't want it on my face, so there you go. See over there, there's the arrow, the drag and pinch resize, so the box should be yellow. So now I can resize that somewhere where it's going to be a bit easier to see. I can change how that looks. I don't need the split screen there. To get those options, I just need to click on the picture, and if I pinch that, I can make it smaller. If I make it bigger, I can make it a little bit bigger. And so I might have that one there. So then I can have the introduction to my topic, climate action, and then the picture is going to come up and I can talk about that picture or what's on that slide. My video here is quite short, so I'm going to make it a little bit longer by duplicating it. But you might have a whole video. So what I'd recommend is maybe do your video first with your presentation in front of you, and then add the pictures of each slide on top of the part where you're talking about it. So if I was about to talk about the effects of climate change, this could be my introduction, then my cover picture, my first title slide, and then maybe my next slide is going to be about, let's say, the effects. So here again I can either have that as a picture-in-picture like we've done before, and again I can click on the picture, click on the arrows here, and I can have that in the same sort of place. Yeah, if you want it to make it look like it's there, you can try and get exactly where the other one was, and you can line that up pretty close there, so I might have to resize that. But there you go, I've got there's me talking about my title, my topic, and then maybe I'm talking about my first slide. There is a bit of a gap there, and that's because they're over the two slides there, so I might want to tidy that up with a transition. Maybe I can fade that in. So I click on the box in between, so hopefully there's it's not as clear as I want. I want a nice smooth transition, so maybe I'll have none, and I'll just see if I can drag that up a little bit closer. There we go. And it's all about how we just play around with the settings to make sure that's working for us. So there you go, that's the picture-in-picture mode, and that's what that will look like. And then I might move on to another slide, or you can even have another video in there, but just make sure I'm not talking over the other videos or anything else, or you can even have an animated GIF in there, whatever is going to be for your presentation. Let's have a look then if I change that. So if I click on overlays, I can change it to a split screen. Let me get rid of that. And this is what it will look like in split screen mode. It will just be half and half. As you can see, I will need to perhaps edit a little bit of how that looks. I can change the middle line there. Should be up to. Nope, it's not changing. No problem. That's if I want the line there. So yeah, I might need to change how that looks. Maybe I can zoom out a bit, but then that gets rid of that. Shows me that black area. Okay, so I just clicked on that one. Again, click on the picture, click on the magnifying glass, and I should be able to zoom in and out and recenter if I need to. There we go. So it's up to you which method you prefer. I could be talking about something that's next to me. That could be quite fun. But yeah, you do have that black area then if it's not the same size. So what we could do perhaps is have two separate ones. If I change that to picture in picture, and we make that a bit bigger. Yep. There we go. Yeah. It could be a bit of both. I mean, there's a bit of jumping around. I go from the left to the right there. So either way, up to you. What looks good for you. For me, that doesn't look amazing how it shifts from a split screen to a picture in picture. So I might want to stick to just picture in picture, and move around like that. Or I might just have it all on split screen and have me and my group in there. Okay. So yeah, have a go. Try that out. The green screen, blue screen, really you need a plain background. Let's not try that one for now. But if my background here was plain, I could have the image of the earth and the cracked ground and the grass behind me, and I could have it so I'm in front of that image. But you will need a plain background, like a green screen or a blue screen or a white wall somewhere. But that's something else you can check out. But that's how you do picture in picture. And that should be a really good way to have your presentation next to you, and there you can go and talk about your research. Okay, cheers guys.